For generations of Dubliners, the sight and sound of glassmaking defined Ringsend's identity. The craft first took root at Charlotte Quay in 1797, but it was the Irish Glass Bottle Company's arrival in 1871 that truly transformed the area. From its furnaces emerged countless black porter bottles, each one crafted from a precise blend of Dublin Bay sand, Clontarf lime, salt, rock and soda. All local materials that linked the factory to the very earth and sea around it. Just like in those days, Sisk is uniting crews to a central purpose: the creation of a residential development along the shores of Dublin Bay.
This area we use in here is what we called our whiteboard area, and our daily coordination is with our subcontractors and all our site supervisors is done every day in this room.
From the central control room, EHS manager Chris O'Reilly and his team monitor every corner of this vast development. Live camera feeds track vehicle movements, coordinate deliveries, and ensure safety protocols are followed across all active zones. With over 37 acres to oversee and hundreds of workers on site daily, this level of real-time monitoring has become essential.
This from everything from health and safety, program progress, and see what work areas are being done. We use the cameras and the footage on this to sort of show it in live view, which is very, very important, you know. Obviously we use our boards and stuff to look at the daily activities, but you can look at like your logistics on site, your storage areas, and your walkways and access to see what's moving, what exclusion zones are going on that day, and just how to coordinate different, the different contractors that are on site. And
every morning begins here, where teams gather to coordinate the day's activities, resolve potential conflicts, and ensure everyone goes home safely. Sisk uses Evercam for more teams than just their own. Chris O'Reilly, EHS Safety Manager for John Sisk Son, explains how Evercam is useful for communicating between internal and external teams. Here, he talks about how subcontractors and operators coordinate at the beginning of each day in front of the Evercam display.
We tell people, we give the information to the subcontractor supervisors, who are all in this room 9 o'clock every morning. And this is really how we just coordinate it all, and they get the message then back out to their crews. So if we say, look, this walkway is blocked, this stairway is blocked, we can show it live in the camera, what's being done, what's being closed off, and it's an excellent tool for that purpose.
Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Glass Bottle project in Dublin, Ireland. For more stories like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel.